System users. Sage Business Cloud accounting software allows multiple users to access and collaborate on financial data. Users can be added and given different levels of access. You can add users from Administration module. Go to Administration, select Manage Users. You can add users as accountant or user. By clicking Add User, you can add users. You can enter user first name, user last name, user email address, user telephone number, and user mobile number. You can add comment to the user. You can select user type as regular user or accountant. You can specify which areas of software the user has access to under Control User Access. From Control User Access, you can change user access rights. Select Permissions. By checking and unchecking, you can allow access options. After you enter details, you can save this user. When you save the user, that user will receive an email from Sage Business Cloud accounting software. User need to confirm their account. This link valid only 10 days. Within 10 days, user has to confirm account. If you have single user in the system, when you enter transactions, you can view the transaction number. In this company, only one user available. When you enter transactions, you can view the transaction number. However, if you have multiple users in the system, when you enter transactions, you cannot view the actual document number. You can see as number. However, when you process the transaction, actual number will allocated to the transaction.